Happy Asynchronous Wednesday, everybody. Today is, in fact, Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. It is Miss Christmas Harris here with your morning announcements. Homework, you just got to do it. Get her done. Line them up, knock them out. Got 6.5 hours of barely any school today. You can do this. Here are the reminders. Every day you need to check your email. Why? Because when you skip a day, all of a sudden you're going to have 168 to look at. We will talk in the class meet today about changing your settings to where you can have less email. Every day, check your class of Google Classroom, do the daily check-in, watch these morning announcements, then check all your other Google Classrooms so you can see if your teachers have returned any of your work that you need to redo. Then get to work, and today you're going to go to your class meeting. A reminder of what the Asynchronous Wednesday schedule looks like. Every single one of your teachers has office hours, and you can find that information in your Google Classrooms. There you will find out what hour they are available for your help. They are there, they are waiting, they are willing to help you, and you can find the meet code and go talk to them about the work you need to get done or any questions that you might have. Today, we have our 3 class meetings. 6th graders meet at 11:15, 7th graders meet at 12:15, and 8th graders meet at 1:15. We'll see you at the class meeting today. We've got some great information for you. Tomorrow, Ms. Fox will be having a 6th grade lunch group, second time. It is Thursday at 10:30, Meet Code Spartans. Today is it. Today is the final kindness challenge. We are here. We are at day 30. And again, this is about reflection, and it's a fun one. It is creating a journal for yourself. Take 10 minutes and film a video of yourself or write a post, write it out old school, reminiscing about this past month and the things you've learned, the people you've made smile, and the most powerful moments of kindness you have shared with yourself and others. Share this for others to see and be inspired, or just keep it to yourself and have it for a rainy, tough day to re-inspire you. It's a great one. Get on it, Spartans. Happy birthday today to Benjamin Johnson. Mr. Wall and the yearbook staff, they need you and your pictures with you and your pets. Please look at all these adorable pets and these adorable pictures. When you upload it through the Snap app or upload it on the Chromebook, you're going to want to write a caption to let them know who's in the picture, your pet's name, and all of that other great information. And please, whatever you do, don't tell my kids that I posted this picture from like 10 years ago. They're going to kill me if they find out. I'm just saying. Math time. What? So yesterday, I gave you from leadership the fact that 11% of people are left-handed. And then I gave you a math problem. Well, then I asked some questions on the daily check-in. 75 people responded, and of that 75 people, 17.3% said that they, in fact, were left-handed. That's a little bit higher than the average here at Stanwood Middle School. Then I asked people to do the math on the daily check-in, and they were kind of all over the place. Although you'll note that 58 had a large amount of responses. It had a 10 and a 4. You're just going to have to trust me on that one. So that's where people landed. Now, are you ready for my math skills? Here we go. I'm being brave. I'm showing you my work. So when you go back to the question, there are 484 students and 45 teachers, adults in Stanwood Middle School. That equals 529. So we have to find 11% of 529. Now, if I were just to approximate and make a guess, I'd know that 11 out of every 100 people are left-handed. There's just over 500 people here, so 11 times 5 equals 55. I know the answer is going to be somewhere around 55. But then when I do the actual math, I times 529, multiply by 0.11, which equals 58.19 people. So you round it down, and boom, there you go. 58 people is the right answer. Spoiler alert, I checked with Mrs. Thomas. She said I was right, on track. Yay me, yay math. Gotta love it. By the way, if you need help with math or other things, you can ask me for the help, and I will point you in the right direction on how you can get the best help. As will Mr. Clunt and Ms. Fox. We need to know what you don't know, so let us know. Reach out. We're ending our week of our character dare where silence is golden. So how'd you do? I put it in a question, the daily check-in. Let me know how you did. And now it's time for a few words of wisdom. There's an old saying that a river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but its persistence. And that's what I want you guys to think about today. What is persistence? It is not giving up when you are overwhelmed. It's realizing that you can do a little bit of work every single day. Yep, going to your meets is super important, and talking to your teachers and participating in your meets and asking questions and staying at the end for help or emailing your teachers. But what's also important is that you don't give up and you persist to do the work. Some of you have really long lists of work that needs to be done. Some of you are just chipping away and it's not a problem. But remember at all times that it is because of persistence that things get done and you can carve rocks. With something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for the morning announcements. We will see you today during a class meeting. See you then, Spartans. Have a good morning. Get lots done.